Now in this lecture we are going to talk about DFS algorithm. Yesterday we have talked about BFS, that is breadth first search algorithm. Now these two algorithms, let me tell you, these are the graph traversal algorithm. The way you are going to search a particular graph for a particular node. In BFS what we do is we check for all the nodes which are adjacent to the starting node or the current node, if we have that particular node that we are searching at that position or not, and then one by one we keep on moving. The data structure used in BFS algorithm was queue, but in DFS algorithm we will be using the concept of stack. First of all, let's read. In DFS algorithm progresses by expanding the starting node of graph G of the on this going deeper and deeper until a goal node is found, or until a node that has no children is encountered. When a dead end is reached, the algorithm backtracks, returning to the most recent node that has not been completely explored. For example, let's see if we have a graph like this. This is a directed graph. The adjacency of this graph has been given over here. You can see there are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. They are altogether 9 nodes. And for each node, the adjacency list has been provided to you. Is it okay? Now from this adjacency list, I will use this list to find out the adjacent nodes. Like for example, first we'll push H onto the stack. The question says, suppose we want to print all the nodes that can be reached from the node H. So you have the node H, that is my starting node, right? Including H itself. One alternative is to use DFS algorithm of search of G using H as the starting node. Okay, so first of all we'll push H onto the stack. स्टैक पे एच पुश हो गया. नाउ पॉप एच बिकॉज एक ही नोड है, and print the top element of the stack, that is h. Push all the neighbors of h. H is adjacent to E and I from the adjacency list, you can see. So what we are going to do, we are going to push E and I onto the stack and we'll add h to the search queue, जो DFS की queue बनेगी. H print हो जाएगा, that is H is a visited node. Now E and I, once you'll push E and then you'll push I, तो top पे, since stack works on LIFO principle, last in first out, तो I was last in, तो delete पहले I होगा, तो I is adjacent to F, तो you'll pop I and push F, तो पहले print H हुआ फिर print I हुआ. That is the way. Now after pushing F onto the stack, ये अब स्टैक का बन जाएगा आफ्टर स्टेप 3. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू अगेन पॉप एंड प्रिंट द टॉप एलिमेंट ऑफ द स्टैक. तो एफ को जब आप पॉप करेंगे तो यू फ्रॉम दिस लिस्ट यू फाइंड एफ इज एडजेसेंट टू सी एंड एच. सिंस एफ इज एडजेसेंट टू सी एंड एच, so C will be pushed on to the stack. You can see pop the and print the top element of the stack, that is F. F is printed. I को print करने के बाद F को print करेंगे pop करके. Push all the neighbors of F onto the stack that are in the ready state. Note F has two children, C and H, but only C will be added as H is not in the ready state. क्योंकि H is already visited, तो हम H को push नहीं करेंगे, right? तो we have C pushed onto it. Now pop and print the topmost element C. Find that C is adjacent to B and G. So we'll push B and G, right? Then again when we'll pop, we'll print G. तो you can see here, यहाँ पे सबसे पहले H visit हुआ, फिर I, फिर F. Okay, you can see here H, I, F, C, and then G. Because once you are going to pop over here after step E, you find that G would be popped out. G जब pop होगा तो G की adjacency list you can find G is adjacent to F, H and I. All three nodes have been already visited. You have already visited F, you have already visited H, and you will have already visited I. So you are not going to push anything after popping G. After you pop G, the other element left on stack is E and B, so you'll pop again B. From the adjacency list, we found B is adjacent to E. E is already there on my stack, so nothing will be pushed. Okay, after popping B, we are also going to pop out E. So E will be popped out and we found that a stack is empty. Since the stack is now empty, the DFS is said to be complete. And the node in which we have visited in DFS algorithm, the sequence of the node visited would be H, I, F, C, G, B and E. We found that A is not able to be visit because अगर आप notice करें इस graph में तो A is a source node. मीन्स ए से बाकी सारे नोड को कनेक्शन है बट ए इज नॉट एबल टू बी विजिटेड ए इज नॉट एडजेसेंट टू एनी अदर नोड ओके a b c and d are adjacent to a but a is not adjacent to any other node so we call such nodes as source so you cannot visit any node if you like try to visit a cannot be visited at all. Okay, so that completes my DFS algorithm. The you can see here in DFS algorithm that we are using. I'll provide this PDF that I've used in this lecture to you so that you, if you want, you may make your own notes for about it. Okay, thank you.